I'm Mike from Textiles, and today I want to talk to you about our Roman headrail brackets. We have three brackets available. First one is a universal swivel bracket, which have the swivel arm and can be wall fixed or ceiling fixed. The second option is a universal spring bracket, which has a little spring pushed to the front and again can be wall fixed or ceiling fixed. The last bracket option is a specific ceiling fixed swivel bracket. To fix each of these to the track, it's very simple. Once your bracket is fixed to either the wall or the ceiling, the swivel bracket will literally hook into the front groove on the top of the headrail and then push your arm to lock the bracket into place. The spring bracket, once fixed, you will push the same point on the bracket and then push backwards, which will lock it onto the bracket. The top fixed would be fixed to the ceiling. Once in place, the swivel arm would just be locked. These brackets will fit to our set sizes, to our made to measure, and also to our motorised. They can be purchased in box quantities or purchased along with any of our made to measure product. Thank you.